International Day for Tolerance, marked every year on 16th November to create awareness about the principles of tolerance. It is a day for respecting the cultures, beliefs, and traditions of others. All the religious preachings do help inculcate the respect for one another to remain in harmony irrespective of the differences. It is celebrated to strengthen tolerance by fostering mutual understanding among cultures and people. It is an acceptance and appreciation of world's cultures and ways of being human. With the rich diversity of our cultures, our forms of expressions and ways, it is necessary to foster by knowledge, openness, communication, a freedom of thought, conscience and belief. Tolerance is harmony in difference. Alarmed by the current rise in acts of intolerance, violence, aggressive nationalism, racism against national, ethnic, religious, linguistic minorities, refugees, and many more within societies, pose a threat to the peace and democracy, both nationally and internationally. These are the obstacles to development. Hence, it is our responsibility and a necessity to develop and encourage respect for human rights, fundamental freedom for all, without distinction to race, gender, language, national origin, religion, or disability, to combat intolerance. Tolerance is not only a cherished principle, but also a necessity for peace and socio-economic advancement of all. We must know and realize the meaning of tolerance, individually starting within the family, spreading as a culture. To the state level, it is about imposing just and impartial legislation. It also requires that socio-economic opportunities to be available to every person without any discrimination. Regarding the social dimensions, the shaping of attitudes of openness, mutual listening, and solidarity should take place in schools and universities through non-formal education, at home and in the workplace. The education being the most effective means of preventing intolerance. The first step is to teach what the shared rights and freedom is. This will help be respected and promote the will to protect those of others. And last but not the least, the commitment to action. We commit ourselves to promote tolerance and non-violence through programs, institutions in the fields of education, science, culture and communication. Again, not to forget, being tolerant removes one's self-imposed barriers and allows one to think more broadly and enjoy greater inner peace. Tolerance isn't easy because we rely so heavily on our experiences and worldview. It is a skill that can bring great peace and harmony to our lives as well as others. Always remember, take ownership of your feelings. No one can make you feel a certain way without you feeling it. So let's celebrate and inculcate to promote tolerance. Thank you and have a good day.